How's it going, everybody? My name is Justin. I'm a senior data scientist. I've been working in the analytics and data science space for about 10 years now, and I actually work as a data scientist for Intuit TurboTax. On Wednesday, we got some really heavy news that 3,000 folks from Intuit were getting laid off. The same day, 8,000 people were announced by Meta to be laid off. And I know so many people that I worked with on a day-to-day basis that were impacted by these layoffs, other data scientists, software developers, PMs, product designers. It really was a big hit, and I have been experiencing, along with so many people that I know, so much loss and so much grief, and it's just been extremely heavy. These last couple of days I've just been really reflecting on not just the layoff that happened, but where we are in the world, especially as a consequence of AI and all of these agentic tools. We are for sure in a very particular point in history. I do think that AI and all of these agentic tools will be the next industrial revolution. Being a data scientist who works day in and day out in this tech space, I have witnessed how fast these tools are evolving. It really feels like only a couple of months ago where we started to leverage ChatGPT to improve our end-to-end daily workflow. And recently we got access to Claude Code, and Claude Code has been absolutely mind-bogglingly good and has really actually truly multiplied my productivity by, I don't know, a factor of 10x. I don't have to code anymore. Claude Code is way better at coding than I am, and so I am moving into more of a strategic architectural design sort of perspective. Now that these technical skills are completely democratized by AI, it is very, very much touching, changing, transforming my daily professional life. I am also a person in the world, and so I'm watching and listening to all of my friends and family's concerns for their jobs and how things are changing for them. And we really are at, I think, an inflection point given this technology. I think in 20, 30 years, I think the structure of our society is going to be radically different. Our economy is going to be radically different. I think everything truly about our world is going to get restructured and changed. And that is very scary, for sure. And I feel a sort of responsibility almost being a data scientist, working in tech, being in this direct sphere, and also personally having a deep care for people and a deep care for the human experience, a deep care for the world and the human endeavor. I just have a lot of sensitivity to people, and so I am feeling compelled to marry both of those things and explore what it means to be a human navigating through the world in an AI agentic forward place. There are a lot of ethical concerns, moral concerns, and a whole soup of things that really need to be considered and talked about. And so in this channel, that is what I am going to do. I am going to explore the human experience in an AI-driven world. I really hopefully would like to be some sort of intelligent observer, watching these tools develop, watching what's happening with the AI kind of tech world and the way it's bleeding out into the rest of society, and to be here and to talk about that and to convey that to you all so that you are informed and educated and all of the rest of it. If you are interested in that sort of thing, exploring the human experience in an AI agentic forward world, consider subscribing, following along on the journey, because it is going to be a wild one. Thank you for stopping by and watching this, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.